Hello students, continue with our business statistic class. Today we are going to learn sigma UV method, but in this UV method we can uh, say about that here in this method we can find sigma U and V at a time, divide numerical digit as an point. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો અહીંયા એક સિગ્મા યુવી મેથડની અંદર આપણે પોઈન્ટમાં ડિવાઈડ કરવાના જે સમ ચેપ્ટર નંબર 1ની અંદર જે શીખી ગયા એવી જ રીતના અહીંયા સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરની અંદર પણ ડિવાઈડ પોઈન્ટમાં થતું હોય એવા સમ આપણે સ્ટડી કરવા જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ. લિસન સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, this method you are learning chapter number 1 correlation. On that, today we are calculate the regression line on this data, and further as per instructions we can learn here. First of all, we can find both regression line for y1x and regression line for x on y. Here dyx is equal to sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon n sigma u square sigma u whole square. See here, we assume x and y at a time divided here 0.01 and here 1. Here we editing it as a cy upon cx, same as dxy n sigma uv sigma u sigma v n sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. And also here adding see how it can decide cy upon cx. See here, b is first and second y means cy upper and last is x, then cx is denominator. Here x is first plus, then here first plus and last is y, then denominator is ci. Now we calculate n is equal to 7 sigma uv, how many? 53. Subtract sigma u is 21 and v 17. N is equal to 7. Sigma u is 91 and sigma u 21 square. Now we put cy. Y means v. Here 1 and x means u means 0.01. Now 53 into 7 371 minus 21 into 17 is equal to 7 into 91. 21 square, 441 into 1 upon 0.01. Now subtracting 371 minus 357 is 14. Upon 637 minus 441 is 196 multiplied 1 upon 0.01. 14 upon 196 into 0.01, it's converted here 196 into 100, or you may say now it is 7.14. Same as we can find bxy n is equal to 7, sigma u is 53, sigma u and sigma v is 21 multiplied with 17 upon 7, u square is 55 and 17 square. Now put c x means 0.01 upon 1. Here 371 minus 357 upon 55 into 7, 385. 17 square is 289. Now 14 into upon 385 into 2, 98, 96. 0.01. Calculate of 14 upon 96 into 0.01 is 0.0015. Now we find regression line x minus x bar is equal to dxy y minus y bar. Sorry. Here. Dyx x minus x bar. Here y bar is 83.43 is equal to 7.40. X minus x bar is 0.35. Y 83.43 multiplied with x 7.14x minus 7.14 into 0.35 is 2.5. Now y cap. Now y is equal to 7.14x minus 2.5. Side chain means plus 83.43. Now y cap is equal to 1.40x plus 2.5 minus plus 83.43 is 80.93. Here we get formula, or you may say line of b by x, same as we find b by x line x minus x bar bxy y minus y bar. X bar is 0.35, bxy 0.015, y minus y bar 83.43, x minus 0.35 multiplied with y 0.015y minus 0.015 into minus 83.43 is calculated by minus 0.13. Now x is equal to 0.0015y minus 0.30 side chain plus 0.35. X cap is equal to 0.0015y plus 0.13 minus plus 0.35. You may say 0.22. Here we get regression line of x. Now, see here we also give the another instruction, hence the estimate the value of y when x is equal to 0.42. Put x is equal to 0.42. Now y cap is equal to 7.40 x plus 0.42 plus 80.93. Y cap is equal to 0.14 into 42 is completely 3.00 plus 80.93. Here the answer of y cap is equal to 83.93. Out of that, one more here is not given, but we also find r. Here r is equal to byx into bxy. Here byx is 7.14 into bxy is 0.0015. Here we can multiply this 0.0170. last R is equal to, out of this 0. Means R is 0.035. Here R is not asking for calculation, but with extra learning how to find the R in this question. You use any of the questions, find R.